Sir Leon, a knight of the Silverleaf Kingdom, felt a strange pull towards the earth. While his fellow knights trained with swords, clashing steel in the courtyard, Leon found solace in the royal gardens, tending to the vibrant blooms. He wasn't weak, his swordsmanship was impeccable, but the thought of battling fearsome griffins and shadow wolves filled him with unease. He yearned for a different kind of victory, one achieved not through bloodshed, but through the gentle sway of wildflowers. One day, while exploring the enchanted Whisperwood Forest, Leon stumbled upon an ancient, moss-covered book. Its pages, filled with faded illustrations and strange symbols, spoke of magical flower seeds, capable of soothing even the most ferocious beasts. Intrigued, Leon carefully copied the symbols and, with the help of the royal gardener, Ilara, he painstakingly cultivated the seeds. The first seed he planted bloomed into a radiant moon petal, its luminescence so calming that a snarling wyvern, perched atop a nearby crag, lowered its head and let out a soft sigh. News of Leon's unique abilities spread like wildfire. Instead of drawing his sword, Leon scattered his magical seeds, creating trails of vibrant blossoms that charmed the fearsome creatures. A grumpy troll, known for his insatiable appetite for gold, was lulled into a peaceful slumber by a field of dream lilies. A pack of vicious goblins, usually quick to snatch anything shiny, were mesmerized by the dancing petals of sunbursts. The king, initially skeptical, was astonished by the transformation. The kingdom, once plagued by relentless monster attacks, found peace. Leon's methods proved more effective than any army. He became known not as a fearsome warrior, but as the Knight of Blossoms, a symbol of peace and the gentle power of nature. He continued to cultivate his magical seeds, transforming battlefields into breathtaking gardens, proving that even the fiercest hearts could be won over by the beauty of nature.